G'day guys, my name's Chris. Welcome to Purewax Car Care Products, and today we're actually going to be teaching you a little bit about our plastic, vinyl and leather cleaner. It's an organic product designed to remove stains and any residue from plastics, vinyls and leather, and so many uses. So let's show you how it works. Okay, so there's a couple of ways you can actually apply the product. You can either spray directly onto the surface, but an alternative is to actually use a microfiber cloth, apply it to the microfiber and then start cleaning the surface, which is how I prefer to use it. So we've got our Purewax microfibers here, again available in our 3 and 12 packs. They come pre-folded into quarters, so all I would do is simply utilize my cloth and product, give it a little bit of a soaking, not too much, and then literally wipe the surface down. Again, gets into all the little pores and gets rid of any marks on the surface, like so. Smells great too. Has that new car scent. Again, once you've wiped it all over the surface, if you want, you can re-dampen your cloth, but this seems fine. You can flip it over, you've got your dirt off, and just give it a light buff. Again, safe on plastics, vinyl, leather, and leaves your car smelling fresh and new.